Hi, I'm Kevin Macpherson. Welcome to my portrait workshop. In this workshop, we're going to start very organically and build our model up bit by bit in a very methodical way, but a very organic way. Something that gives you freedom to get to the finish. Learning should be fun. It should be challenging. It should engage you. It should make you cry, all the above. But if you can get on the right track fast, it's going to make your art journey so much more pleasurable. So come join me. I think I have a lot to share from all my years of knowledge, and I love sharing it. Teaching is one of the most rewarding things in my life, and I love for you to improve your paintings.